Alright, so I had a request to do the engine bay in the direct sunlight. So it's real early, so I figured sun's hitting it just right. Might as well get a video. You can really see the change. It's pretty awesome. For the people that say I didn't weld the strut tower, that was so redundant. But you can tell, like, we didn't Bondo or anything, we just grinded them down. Normally these go up more than that. So, I mean, it's not perfect, but it's better than holes there. And it even turns to like a goldish orange color in the right light. But I might be getting the cam installed here soon. This distributor's bad. The car still runs and drives fine. It's just it's making a grinding noise and it has a slight misfire. I put new plugs, wires, I mean the whole shebang, everything you can think of. And the only thing I haven't done was the distributor, so it's kind of simple, obvious. But there's the bay in the sunlight. Color shift paint, $21.99 a can at AutoZone, at least here in Hutch. So you should go get yourself some. You have to have a black base coat. We put a lot of clear on it. It's already pretty shiny without the clear. You probably don't need it, but we did it just to protect it even longer. So yeah, definitely stay tuned, everyone. I will have more videos, I promise you. I got to get rid of all this junk, blown automatic engine and transmission, all this crap out of here. Old SRT4 parts. So definitely stay tuned, everyone. I appreciate you guys watching my videos, and we just hit 10,000 subscribers. I'm really super happy about that. I really appreciate all of the shares and likes you do. So if you want to, please go ahead and share this video so people can see the color shift engine bay. And there'll definitely be more. So stay tuned, everyone. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, share if you haven't already.